Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit audio on your Android phone. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. So guys, make sure to watch the complete video to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. So guys, there are several audio editing apps available for the Android devices, and for example, let me go to the Play Store, and here you can see Lasers audio editor, and you can see I have already downloaded this application. Now you can just tap on open. Now you can just select the file. For example, I'm going there and I'm going to import my music. So guys, here you can see by open this application you can have to select the music here and just tap right here on open, and then you can see here are this is the interface from where you can edit your audio on your Android phone.